And now let's hope that the teamwork with the police and Marco works, because now there is in a few hundred meters a tunnel coming, and due to the narrow of the tunnel and the turn into the tunnel, we must stop the traffic what is coming against us. Otherwise it's very dangerous. Someone hit the engine and we have magic problems. We call the police and they should turn the traffic light in the tunnel on red. Let's hope, wait and see. Schalten Sie auf Rot, Marco? Yeah, we must wait now, Sandy. Traffic light is on red, but not for us. We close the traffic from the other side because in the tunnel it is very narrow, and if someone hit the engine is a problem. Wait till Marco goes, then you have green light for the police.
Okie dokie, no problem, Mark. We'll just sit here and as soon as we can go, we'll follow Marco.
Okay.
Okay, please wait. I will double check that the tunnel is empty.
Ja, de lichten zitten.
Okay, tunnel is empty. You can start.
De lichten op rood en we kunnen er einfach door. Het is perfect georganiseerd. Wunderbar. Dat is organisation. Dit is organisation. Perfect.
Dat is zo goed.
Ja, ja, we zien het aan varen. Perfect. Perfect, perfect.